Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Analu Tabo Villarin, 32 years old, single. I am a caregiver graduate. I work as a domestic helper here in the Philippines.
Good day, Miss Analu. How are you today?
I'm fine, Madam and Sir.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristic of a good domestic helper?
The good characteristic of good domestic helper are lovable, honest,
So what made you decide to work abroad?
for my family needs.
How will you avoid homesickness?
I'm making busy myself and work hard.
So can you tell us a proper way in taking care of children?
Give them the nutritious food and medicine and love them as my brother and sister.
So what if you committed a mistake and the employer's calls you, what will you do?
I say sorry to my employer. I promise I will not do it again.
So what is your last message or promises to your future employer?
Madam, hired me because I need this work for my family. I promise I will finish my contract for 2 years.
Okay, thank you Miss Analu and hope to see you soon in abroad.
Thanks, Madam and Sir.